First, update your system packages. Create a new non-sudo user and assign the home path. After this, create a new password for our user. Add the user to the sudo as file. Switch to our Node.js user. Install version 20 of Node.js. Type Y and press enter. Change the directory so you are in your home directory of the Node.js user. Create a new file called app.js. Press I for the edit mode in your VI editor and paste the following code. Press WQ and press enter to save the file. We will install pn2. We will start our application in our home path. We will notice that the app.js is running under the Node.js user. Configure Nginx as a reverse proxy. First, we will install Nginx. Next, we will make sure to start our Nginx server. And verify that it is also starts every time we boot up the system. Create a new Nginx config. Paste the following code in your configuration file. Change the value based on your configuration and the IP or hostname of your server. We can verify our syntax. Next, we will reload the Nginx service so that the new config is loaded properly. In order to evade bad gateway errors on Nginx, we need to add the following rule. Now, if you run the curl command toward your server and port 80, you should get a proper response.
Please subscribe and check out more content from us.